emergency weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Portage County. This includes the city of Ravenna, northeastern Stark County, east central Summit County, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Kent, or 6 miles west of Ravenna, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Alliance. The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Tonight,